To pay with Klarna in store at Walmart, you will need to have the Klarna app installed on your mobile device and a Walmart account. First, download the Klarna app and create an account if you do not already have one. Once you have the app, open it and navigate to the Payment Methods section where you can add your preferred payment method. Next, go to the Walmart website or open the Walmart app and sign into your account. Navigate to the Services section and select the option to add Klarna as a payment method. You will be redirected to the Klarna website where you can confirm the connection between your Walmart and Klarna accounts. When you are ready to make a purchase at a Walmart store, open the Klarna app and navigate to the In-Store Payments section. Select Walmart as the retailer and the amount you want to spend. The app will generate a single-use QR code that you can use to pay for your purchase. At the checkout line, let the cashier know that you would like to pay with Klarna. They will scan the QR code generated by the app and the payment will be processed. You will receive a confirmation of the payment in the Klarna app. It is essential to note that not all Walmart stores may accept Klarna as a payment method, so it is a good idea to call ahead and confirm before making a special trip. Additionally, ensure that you understand the terms and conditions of using Klarna, including any interest rates or fees that may apply. By following these steps, you can easily use Klarna to pay for your purchases at Walmart. This payment method can provide you with more flexibility and control over your finances. Remember to always review your account activity and payment schedules to ensure that you are making timely payments and avoiding any unnecessary fees.